What up, people? It's another edition of From a Poly Perspective. I'm the No-Handed Bandit, and today I have alongside me the newest From a Poly Perspective reporter, AJ.
Thanks for having me. I'm excited to be here, and especially excited about the topic of today's story, Tausala.
Tausala is a dance school for Pacific Island dances, and our game plan is to let the students and the instructor tell you all about Tausala. I think we should split up, AJ. What do you think?
Sounds like a good idea. I'll first shoot a game of Can Kamo to decide where we go on from here. If I win, I get to interview the students. If you win, you get to interview Aunty Fina.
Okay. Well, what's a Can Kamo?
Oh, it's like a rock, paper, scissors around here.
Oh, okay. Let's do this then.
Okay.
Can Kamo. Come on, AJ. Let's do best 2 out of 3.
Okay.
Can Kamo.
Oh, looks like you lost again, Uncle. It's not my fault you're a loser.
How does he do that every time?
Anyways, I got some dances to go to.
When I started the group 17 years ago, this was our mission statement. We, the children of Polynesia, being raised in the Valley of the Sun, that's what they call Phoenix, embrace our heritage by learning the music, language, and dance of our ancestors in an attitude of humility and brotherhood. We acknowledge the hand of God in all things and honor Him by celebrating our unique beauty and heritage. Moving here to Utah and bringing that same spirit, there have been so many opportunities that have opened to me to be able to really focus and fulfill that mission statement. And now I get to teach here.
Alana, a lot of you, your fingers, you need to flatten your hands.
At the Mana Academy as their cultural arts instructor, I teach dance, and I feel it's God's hand that has just brought me to do what I love.
Learning Pacific
Island dances
is important
to me because
I learn more about my culture and my roots.
it connects us to our ancestors and lets us know who we are.
it helps me learn about my culture and connect me to my ancestors.
I get to learn something new, and it's my culture. It helps me learn more about my culture and about other cultures too.
It helps me learn more about my ancestors, and helps me learn more about my culture.
I get to learn more about my culture.
It makes my life better.
I believe dance is for everyone because dance is service. Dance is love. Dance is spiritual, especially when you pass it on to someone else. When you give your dance not for money, you give it to teach someone else, to pass on the message of our ancestors. It serves the dancer and the teacher more than anyone else because you will begin to hear your ancestors through the songs. Your dance will become their message. Your hands, your feet, it's incredible. I was born and raised till I was 25 in San Francisco Bay Area. I'm just very deeply culturally rooted there. And I moved to Arizona and I was missing that family aspect and culture. So I just decided that I was going to start my own group. We would practice in our little apartment, and we started with 6 girls. And we would practice at the park in 110-degree weather. And then these Hawaiian boys who liked the pretty girls that were in my group would come and they'd say, Aunty Fina, we want to dance in the group. I'm like, well, no, we're Tausala. We don't have boys. We're an all-girls group. And I would just see for an entire year, they came to our practice week after week after week. And so then I was like, okay, you can come and dance. And it was the best decision. And every boy and girl, anyone that's come through my group is my kids, my family.
I like Tausala because they're like my family to me, and they love me.
It's like a second family to me.
My family and my friends are always there with me.
Everyone's so nice They're always very helpful.
I get to learn new dances and I meet new people.
It's not only fun, but it's also educational, and you learn a lot about the cultures.
It's fun and it's a passion for me.
I moved to Utah because my mom got Alzheimer's. I'm really happy that I did. When I moved away from Arizona, I kept my core group of dancers and instructors, and a very, very close friend of mine whose daughters danced with me since they were young, her name is Lisa Schwalger, manages there. They come and perform here. I go there. We're a very, very close-knit family. But starting here in Utah was hard. I am really lucky that Auntie Kathleen Madsen was the director of the Hawaiian Culture Center. So within the first month I moved here, she opened the center to me and my family to start our group. And it really started with my own family members. The drums bring the heartbeat for our group. It just separates us and makes it more authentic, because to be a drummer, you have to study. Both me and Oliva believe that if you're going to do Tahitian drumming, you must learn it from a Tahitian, and you must respect it. Oliva is an amazing Samoan drumming, sa-sas, fire knife. That just came naturally growing up in Samoa. But with the Tahitian, he's still learning and he loves it. But it makes all the difference for a dancer to dance to live drumming versus a CD. The master of Tausala universe is my husband, Oliva. Like, I am the one that's the loud one, but we all know without him, we would not be able to accomplish and do anything that we do. He does all of our sound, he mixes all of our music, he drums for us, he has live drummers. All his stuff, it's the core of our choreography for our boys. For me personally, you can't touch his stuff, it's good. We probably do have a somewhat unique style of Samoan dance. Our movements are much more elongated. Like, we really extend our arms when we tell our story, but we do not like to stray too far from traditional Samoan siba. But also, I would say it's unique to us because it is the way we feel it. I was born here. I was not born in Samoa. I still feel a strong connection to my ancestors. I see it and feel it very elongated. You know, like it's very extended. I'm much more open to choreography when I know I'm praying consistently, when I'm close to my family and doing the things I need to. I think that I can see and sense and feel my ancestors speak to me. Te Waka is such a huge influence to me personally, because I heard their song Siba Mai back in 98 when I first started my group. And I told my husband, because there's a verse that's Samoan, there's a verse that's Tokelau, there's a verse that's Tuvalu. I said, I have to do this song. And he goes, you can't. We don't know what the meaning of the words are. And then this is me. Oh no, okay, yeah, you're right. But it would not leave me, the song. And I said to him, we have to do it. I feel like my ancestors are speaking to me. I had no idea that the English name when it was colonized for Tuvalu was Ellis Island. But I grew up knowing my grandmother was born on Ellis Island. I thought it was Ellis in New York. We choreographed it and we did. It's one of our most powerful dances. I am not kidding you. Like, I felt my ancestors speaking to me through this song. I come to find out that Ellis Island is Tuvalu, and all of the motions fit perfectly, as if I did know. So then I saw Te Waka in concert in 2002 and in Apia Park, and we were way far, far away, and it was so spiritual. I said to Oliva, I am going to meet those people one day. My group is going to dance for them one day.
Tausala and Tausala. Their music is the biggest inspiration for us.
Because there is just a spiritual connection. There, I don't know how to explain to you the experiences I have had with choreography. That's the most powerful one, is that song. Because I didn't know what it meant, one verse of it. And the motions are perfect.
Tausala to me means having beauty in everything you do.
I stay with Tausala because I love being with my ancestors. Pacific Island dances makes my life different because I am poly and I like to do dances that are in my culture. Pacific Island dances makes my life different because I get to stay out of trouble.
I think life without Tausala would be kind of sad because I love Tausala.
Life without Tausala would be really hard because my parents work and Tausala gives me something to do. I like Tausala because it is very culture-y and yeah.
Tausala to me means family.
Tausala is open to everyone and anyone. Doesn't matter what culture you are. Doesn't matter if you have a handicap or people perceive you to have a handicap. It doesn't matter what age you are, because Tausala will add a lot of spirit to your life.
So that's what the big deal is with Tausala. Nice job, AJ. Give me some knuckles.
Thanks for having me, Uncle. It was good to get to know Tausala, especially before all their summer festivals.
Yeah, that's true. We'll be seeing a lot of them up on stage this summer. One thing though, AJ, how did you know what I was gonna do every time on that rock, paper, scissors game?
Sorry, Uncle. That's only between me and the ladies.
The ladies? You could tell me, man. I gotta get some ladies. Because I can't be a prisoner, I don't have tattoos, so at least I need to beat them in rock, paper, scissors, man.
Okay, so here's the secret. Here's how I found out. All I did was just use my mind, and I predicted your next move.
What are you trying to tell me?
It's like some X-Men stuff.
Mind reader?
Yeah, mind freak.
You are a freak. I'm out of here.